Hello, welcome to Mr. Rouse teaching math today. Today we are working with lesson 4.5. We are estimating again. Estimating means rounding, okay? And so what we did in lesson 4.1 really works really well, and you should know how to do 4.5 if you got 4.1. So let me show you what I mean. So if I have 389 divided by 4, I'm going to look at these first two numbers. So 4 times what is closest to 38? And I don't even care when you round. You can go under or over. It doesn't matter, okay? So 4 times what is closest to 38? Well, what's 4 times 9? It is 36. That's pretty close. Okay, but because we have this 9 here, I'm going to add a 0. So it's really 40 times 9. Let's try another one. Let's go 40 times 10. 4 times 10 equals 40, and add my 0. Now 400's closer than 360, so my answer would be 40. Okay, so about 40. So that's really what we're doing. We'll try one more. If I have 4,156 divided by 7, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to look at these first two numbers. 7 goes into 41 about how many times? And you can go over. So 7 times 5, I know, is 35. Not bad. 7 times 6 is 42. Whoa, we are close. Because 42 is just barely over, and we're okay to go over on this one. So 7 times 6 equals 42. Problem is, I have two numbers here that aren't accounted for. So I have to add two numbers here and add those two numbers there. And this is really close. So my answer is 600. Now where this gets close to our previous lesson. So if I have 1045 divided by 2, I'm going to do the same thing. 2 goes into 10. We know it goes in 5 times, okay? So actually, I'm going to write the 2 first just because it helps me. So 2 times 5 equals 10. However, I have these two numbers. So I'm going to add those there and add those there. So my answer could be 500. But they are going to ask for the best two estimates on half this lesson. So that is, like in 4.1, that's a bottom piece of our cheese sandwich. We need to find the top piece. So if I have the smaller number, I know that all I need to do is find the bigger number. So I'm just going to times the next biggest number up. So 2 times 6, add my 2 zeros, equals 2 times 6 is 12, add my 2 zeros is 1200. Because this number is our cheese that fits perfectly into there. So I have a wonderful melted cheese sandwich. So it's the same thing. So when they're asking them to find the 2, you're just going to, we'll do one last one, 1649 divided by 5. 5 goes into 16 about how many times? 5 times, good, 3 equals 15, add my 2 zeros because I have two numbers here, and add them here. Okay, so that is close, but it is smaller, and I need to find 2, so I'm just going to do the next number up, which is 400, which 5 times 4 is 20, add my 2 zeros. See, and that number fits right there, so I know my answer is 300 and 400. This is Mr. Rouse teaching lesson 4.5. Join me next time as I teach math 4.6. Have a nice night.